Good morning. Welcome to your How to Speak English, your go-to spot for mastering the art of conversation. Today, we are going to dive into the best strategies and tips to help you overcome your fear while speaking English and truly enhance your communication skills. 1. The core message. The biggest barrier to fluency isn't grammar, it's fear. But remember, communication is about connection, not perfection. When you speak, people are listening to your ideas, not hunting for your mistakes. To be your best, you must try a practice in rapid way. Practical tip: start by shadowing native speakers or narrating your day out loud when you're alone. These small steps build the muscle memory you need so that when the real conversation happens, you are ready to shine. Now, I have challenge for you. In one sentence, tell me, what is the biggest thing you are afraid of when speaking English? I want everyone to leave their answer in the comments below. I'll be reading and replying to them. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips to level up your English. See you in